How to save Apple Notes as a PDF file. All right, this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do first is to launch the Apple Notes application. And once you're here, I want you to tap on your preferred note that you want to go ahead and have saved as a PDF file. Once you're there, I want you to go ahead and tap on the share icon on the top right corner of your screens. Now I want you to scroll down until you see the print option. Just tap on print, and what that is going to do is going to show you this option over here. What I want you to go ahead and do next is on the print preview screen, which what you have, or rather what you are currently seeing right now, I want you to go ahead and pinch out with 2 fingers to open a full page view. So as you would notice, it actually opened a full page view once you pinch with 2 fingers on this section right here. Now doing so, as you would see, we could actually see this on a full page section. Now what I want you guys to go ahead and do from here is to tap on this share icon once again, and now we have the option to save this on our files. So once you tap on save to files, as you would notice, we have now the option to save this as a PDF. Just go ahead and rename whatever you'd like to have this named. Once you tap on save, or once you tap on save right here on the top right corner of your screen, you can actually have this saved as a PDF already directly on your device. And in order for us to locate where that is, let's just go ahead and tap on our files section and go on to the recent sections over here. And as you would see, the file, or the PDF file, is located right here. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.